Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn use of alternative mouse and keyboard. Suppose your mouse is not working. You have to operate mouse. You can operate your mouse with keyboard. How can we do that? Let's see. Just go to the start menu. Then you will find control panel option. In control panel you will find accessibility options. Just double click here. Then you will find mouse tab. Click mouse and use mouse keys. Click here and apply. There is two options, apply and OK. Press OK. Now you can use your mouse with num key. You can use your mouse with num key. It's very simple option. You can use these option when your mouse is not working. The second option is keyboard. Suppose some of the keys of your keyboard are not working and you have to type this word. How can you type this word without keyboard? Let's see. Go to the start menu. Then you will find all programs and accessories and accessibility. Then you will find on screen keyboard. You can type any word here. Just go to the and word. Now you have to type like @ for example, shift @. Now you can type any word. Here. It's very simple technique. You can type any keys without keyboard to use this option on screen keyboard. Hope these tips are useful for you. Thanks for watching.